We are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous of all German car and automobile manufacturers belonging to the Volkswagen Group, more on the luxury vehicle segment founded in Ingolstadt, Bavaria, Germany in 1909 and named after its founder. Founder was named August Horch, Horch meaning listen in German. It becomes Audi in Latin. Did you know that? I didn't. I find it quite interesting. We kind of all know how to say it in some fashion or another, the name of this automobile brand, but how do you say it in German? Simply Audi. 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 Here are many more videos on how to pronounce car brands, model names of Porsche, Audi, Lamborghini, Ferrari, French cars, and many more. French cars are quite interesting. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of car pronunciation. Au revoir.